to come in and make your cut. That's it. That's all it has to be. Turn them off. Okay, so now I've got the 2 holes drilled in here. We're going to set it up on the milling machine, put a flat weld. So you come over here and set them up in here. The groove for the center line. So that makes it easier to set up. I'm going to make sure that we're sitting up a little bit high. So I'm just trying to be a little bit higher than the vise. Yep. So you can see our point there, we've got a little bit higher than the vise, which is just what we want. Tighten up nice and tight. Come around, grab the machine running when you're moving it about. That way if you bump something, you're going to cut it rather than... And the end handle here goes across. So I'm just getting it eyeballed up. So you're going to come across, all the way across, all the way back. Yeah, we just want a small flat. It's just to stop it rolling away when we turn it off, brush it down.